Ever wonder how we know our medicine is safe? Well, today, we're diving into the super strict process of qualifying pharmaceutical equipment.
We're focusing on the tray dryer. It's a real workhorse, used to dry powders and granules. So how does it work? It circulates hot air to remove moisture. This is called forced convection heating.
But you have to prove it works perfectly every single time. So how is that actually done? The answer is a really strict process called equipment qualification. It ensures total reliability and safety.
We're going to walk through the 3 key stages: installation, operational, and performance qualification.
First up, we've got installation qualification, or IQ. This is basically all about checking the setup. You can think of it like this: you're unboxing a new PC, making sure every single component is correct.
The procedure means defining what the machine has to do and listing every single accessory it needs.
So we document everything, right? The model number, its location, and all the required utilities.
Okay, let's move on to the next phase, operational qualification, or OQ.
And what's cool here is we're now testing functionality. It's like turning the computer on to test the controls.
During OQ, we actually run the dryer. We check all its functions and test every single control.
To pass OQ, the equipment has to work exactly as the procedure says, with all gauges perfectly calibrated.
And this really shows the level of detail. Even a weird sound would mean it fails the test.
Finally, we get to the most critical test of all, performance qualification, or PQ. This is the ultimate stress test. We have to make sure it performs perfectly under real-world conditions.
The PQ process involves a super detailed heat study and then running 3 actual product batches.
Okay, so let's dive into this heat distribution study. It's a really key part of PQ.
Testers put 10 temperature sensors inside and then run the dryer for an hour at 2 different heat levels.
The main goal here is to prove the dryer is effective by analyzing moisture in the samples.
So what are the specific targets the dryer has to hit to pass this final performance test? First, the temperature across all 10 sensors can't differ from the set point by more than 5 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that incredibly tight tolerance guarantees that every part of the product is heated consistently.
Second, the moisture variation across samples, which is called %RSD, must be less than 6%.
This proves the dryer can produce a consistent, high-quality product every single time it's used.
So why go through all this? Well, it really just comes down to one crucial thing: guaranteeing consistent quality.
This table sums it up nicely. IQ checks the setup, OQ tests the functions, and PQ proves performance. This whole process isn't just about paperwork. It's about ensuring patient safety and product integrity. It really makes you wonder what other rigorous testing processes are quietly protecting us every day.